In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Canva newsletter with Mailchimp, providing you with a full guide as we head into 2024. It's a straightforward process that combines the creativity of Canva with the robust email marketing tools offered by Mailchimp. So let's get started and dive right into it. First, you'll want to log into Canva. Head over to canva.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up and only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're in, utilize their search functionality. Simply type email newsletter or email template into the search bar. This will bring up a range of professionally designed templates for you to choose from. Alternatively, if you're feeling creative, you can start a design from scratch. After selecting a template, it's time for customization. Modify the layout by adjusting the text, images, colors, and fonts to align with your branding. It's important to keep your design simple and mobile friendly, given that many people will likely view your email on their phones. Canva gives you plenty of tools to ensure your design is not only attractive, but functional on smaller screens. Now, we move on to exporting your design from Canva. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, click on Share, located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Download. When choosing a format, opt for either PNG or JPG because Mailchimp does not currently support direct Canva templates. After selecting your preferred format, go ahead and hit the Download button to save the file to your computer. Next, it's time to transition over to Mailchimp. Navigate to mailchimp.com and log into your account. From the dashboard, initiate a new email campaign by clicking Create, then Email, followed by Regular Email. You'll be prompted to select a template for your email, so go ahead and choose either a custom template or a basic layout that fits your needs. With your template ready in Mailchimp, it's time to incorporate your Canva design. Simply drag and drop an image block into your email, then upload the PNG or JPG file that you downloaded earlier. If necessary, adjust the size to ensure it seamlessly fits into the layout. Mailchimp makes this easy with their intuitive interface, so don't hesitate to tweak it to your liking. Before you send out your beautifully designed newsletter, it's wise to preview it. Click on Preview and Test to see how your email will look in your recipients' inboxes. It's a great chance to make any last-minute adjustments. If everything appears polished and perfect, go ahead and schedule or send your email campaign out into the world. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Canva and Mailchimp to create and send a visually striking email newsletter. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.